The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new smartphone called Lava Blaze with glass finish on the back that gives premium touch on a budget phone. Talking about the specifications, the Lava Blaze supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 2.5D curved glass on the top, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Lava Blaze features an AI-featured triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes one 13MP main camera along with a 2MP secondary and a VGA sensor. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that is claimed to deliver up to 40 days of talk time and up to 25 days of standby time on a single charge. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and the company is offering 100 days of free screen replacement and free service at home for the user. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.75 by 76.3 by 8.9mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lava Blaze has been priced in India at 8,699 Indian rupees. And it is now up for pre-orders in the country in glass black, glass blue, glass green, and glass red color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from July 14th. So what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolver YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.